Let's get the turning. What I'm doing here is I'm just removing that sawdust because we're getting to that last grit or two, and you want it to try to be, you want to try to make sure you get it all nice and sanded good and stuff. So that's all I'm doing right here, is just removing that sawdust. So just dry this off a little bit before we start sanding again. So I'll let that set for just a second so that it can dry. Clean the sawdust off and get a sneak peek of what this is going to look like. Just want to get it nice and cleaned off. Especially before you finish it, you want it nice and clean. And I'm just going to see what that looks like. I kind of slow turn it. That looks nice. Oh yeah, that's nice. That's going to look nice. Look at that. Oh yeah. Nice. Alright, so we're going to start assembling the pin. I kind of got everything laid out here. This is the cap, that's the body, and we're going to put this piece in first. Okay. Now, I'm going to put this piece after I line up the wood. So let me get this lined up. Right there. That's pretty good. Just a little bit. Okay. I think it's pretty good. Okay. And we can go ahead and put the clip on the see, where do we want this to be? I want it to cover that. Kind of like that. I like all that. I think I want to go probably right in there. I think right in there. Right there. Yeah, I like that. I think that looks good. So now we need to put this piece in. We'll go this way with. Okay, put the post part in. That should just screw on. Yes, just like that. And so this kit does come with we can fill up from a bottle or something, and it does come with an ink. So we're just going to go ahead and use this ink to put in there. And here's our nib. So just give you guys a nice close-up of that. Very, very nice nib. So we're gonna insert that and get me a paper towel. I think yeah. Okay. I'm gonna screw this nib in. And there she is, guys. She looks good. Looks good. I'll get some better close-ups of it, but I'm gonna swear this is gonna write really well here, but and we can screw the cap on so we can completely write on it. So there she is. Very, very nice. Weiroo burl wood, stabilized with a custom resin blank. They're very nice. Hope you guys enjoy. Let me know what you think of this nice pin and leave some comments. Leave some feedback. Very, very nice fountain pen. Till next time, later everyone.